How to fix proxy detected when trying to use Netflix. So if you're trying to watch a particular show or film on Netflix and you're seeing the proxy detected error, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now I'll be demonstrating this on my iPhone, but this will also work on computer as well. So first thing we need to do is just make sure you're not connected to a VPN. So go and load up the settings on your phone and scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down again and select VPN and Device Management. If you're currently connected to a VPN, you'll need to go and disconnect from this now. As you can see here, mine says VPN not connected. If it's not working, then come back over to the main settings page and click on Wi-Fi. Click on the information button next to your Wi-Fi, and then you'll need to scroll down to DNS and press Configure DNS. Now change automatic to manual, and then click on the Add Server button. You then need to type in 8.8.8.8. You can then press Add Server again and type in 8.8.4.4, and then you can go and save these changes. Once you've done this, open up Netflix and check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, you'll need to try signing in to a different Netflix profile. Now, if you don't have a different profile to sign into, you can just go and add a profile to your Netflix account. And once you've done that, you should be able to go and load up your Netflix program. If it's still not working, you need to try force restarting your device. Now, to do this on an iPhone, quickly tap the volume up button, tap the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Continue to hold this button down until eventually the screen goes black. Now continue holding this button down, and after about 10 more seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. You can then release this button and wait for your phone to restart. You could then try reloading Netflix, and you should now be able to go and watch that program.